Today, craft paper is not just a paper product. It has become a basic necessity for thousands of businesses. Yes, as the packaging industry is rapidly moving towards eco-friendly products, the demand for craft paper remains strong in many packaging segments in 2026. So today in this video, we will know the entire process of how to start a craft paper manufacturing business in simple language. A key advantage of this industry is its vast customer base and the continuous demand for the product. Furthermore, when executed correctly, it has the potential to grow into a robust manufacturing enterprise. This makes craft paper manufacturing an excellent business opportunity. However, proper planning is very important for you to start this business. So let's take a detailed look at the investment, machinery, production process, marketing, challenges, and essential tips for this business. So don't forget to watch this video from start to finish. Now come on, let's get into the video. Hi friends, and welcome to New Business Ideas. What are the business opportunities and challenges? The biggest advantage of this sector is the growing packaging market. Craft paper is made from wood pulp or waste paper, making it a popular choice for packaging heavy or sharp items. Yes, friends, this paper are used in the production of cardboard boxes, bags, envelopes, general packaging, rolling goods, and various industrial applications. With the growth of today's e-commerce, logistics, and increasing demand for packaging materials across various industries, the craft paper market is expected to grow at a steady rate. Various government initiatives and industry trends are encouraging the adoption of sustainable packaging solutions, indicating that there is a strong demand in the future. On the other hand, there are challenges. Raw material prices can fluctuate, and electricity consumption is high. Water management requires attention, and poor quality control could lead to the loss of long-term customers. There is competition in various categories. Therefore, it is necessary to focus equally on both productivity and customer relations. Investment for business. Friends, unlike other industries, the investment required for this industry can vary significantly, depending on the scale of the operation. Yes, starting a small-scale craft paper manufacturing plant can range from a few million to several million. In Indian currency, an investment of 50 lakhs to 2 crore or more may be required, while setting up a fully automated production unit may require even more capital. Friends, this is just a rough estimate. The exact investment amount will vary depending on your location, availability of raw materials, and various other factors. Therefore, conduct thorough research before making a decision or consult a local business advisor. Space selection and business permits. To start this business on a small scale, a space of about 5,000 to 15,000 square feet or more is required, with adequate space for raw materials, finished goods, and installation of machinery. Ideally, the site should be easily accessible by road and located near paper mills, recycling centers, waste paper suppliers, or industrial raw material hubs. So it is better to choose an industrial park with reliable electricity and water supply. Next, you may need to obtain GST registration, Udyam registration, factory license, pollution control board approval, fire safety license, and necessary permits from local bodies to start a business. If supplying to high-end international markets, Forest Stewardship Council certification is required. Raw materials and machinery. The main raw material required for the production of craft paper is wood pulp, and recycled paper can also be used as a raw material. Additionally, chemicals and water are essential raw materials. You can source these materials from local suppliers such as authorized waste paper dealers, paper mills, and industrial waste providers. Next, in terms of machinery, equipment such as hydra pulper, a cleaning system, a purification unit, a paper-making machine, a drying section, a rewinder, and cutting equipment is required. Furthermore, the selection of machinery should be based on the desired production capacity and the target market. These machines can usually be obtained from large machine manufacturers, or you can access various machine manufacturers through the internet. However, selecting a reliable supplier during the procurement process is crucial for ensuring long-term operational stability. How craft paper is made. First, The production process begins by feeding wood pulp or waste paper into a hydra pulper machine to produce fiber pulp. Subsequently, the pulp undergoes a purification process to remove impurities and ensure high quality. Once the fibers are processed as required, the pulp is fed into the paper making machine, where it is transformed into a continuous sheet. Then, the sheet of paper is passed through pressing and drying sections to remove any remaining moisture. Finally, the finished paper is wound into large rolls and cut according to customer requirements. In the final stage, the paper undergoes quality testing and the product is packaged and sent to market. Marketing and sales tips. As we mentioned earlier, there is a demand for packaging materials in various industries. The primary customers of Kraft paper are corrugated box manufacturers. They purchase Kraft paper in bulk to make multi-layer corrugated boxes. Next, packaging companies, paper bag manufacturers, and various industrial units can be approached. Establishing direct contact with customers by listing your business on B2B platforms like Trade India or Get Distributor is a key factor in the success of this business. Additionally, you can gain new customers through local industry associations, trade shows, and digital marketing platforms. Market risk and how to avoid it. Let's look at the operational reality. One of the key risks in the Kraft paper industry is a sudden decline in demand from customers in the packaging, carton manufacturing, and industrial sectors. Market competition can intensify due to the entry of new manufacturers or existing companies slashing prices to retain market share. Even if sales remain steady, a sudden spike in raw material costs can squeeze profit margins. To avoid these risks, the business should focus on building long-term relationships with a diverse range of customers rather than relying on just one or two major clients. Introducing various products such as Kraft paper rolls, packaging paper, and specialty papers will help generate additional revenue streams. Proper market research, strict cost control, and formal supply agreements with distributors and customers will help ensure the stability of the business despite market fluctuations. Friends, the Kraft paper manufacturing industry is one of the sectors where the demand for environmentally friendly packaging solutions continues to increase. By selecting the right location, utilizing high-quality machinery, establishing a robust supply chain, and maintaining a strong focus on quality, one can build a successful manufacturing enterprise in this field. This video is made for educational and informational purposes only. Investment requirements, potential profitability, operational costs, and market conditions may vary significantly depending on specific location, production capacity, availability of raw materials, and various other factors. Before making investment decisions, it is essential to conduct an independent study of the local market, costs, regulations, and demand. So if you want to know more information about this business, please check our website and the link in the video description. We hope this video will help you in initiating your own business. Thanks for watching, friends. Subscribe for more exciting business ideas and don't forget to share your thoughts in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video, share it with your friends. See you in the next video.